Hi, good morning. My name is Carolina Ponciano,
Hi, good morning. My name is Stephanie Molina.
and we're going to talk about soil testing. This is because we are studying civil engineering. Now, to start our explanation about the soil testing topic, we're going to give you the objectives of this project. The most general objective is we're here to learn about the meaning of soil testing and different types of soil tests, the procedure that is taken to do the test, and it is important then to know all the steps that are necessary to take in order to get the optimal buildings and all kinds of construction.
Other objective is to know about how process and analysis of soil testing work using samples and other elements. Other is to learn all different types of soil tests and steps that need to be taken in order to fulfill these tests.
Now, we're going to talk about soil testing. That is the main topic of our project. Now, soil test refers to the process and analysis of elements in a soil sample, like phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, sodium, sulfur, manganese, copper, and zinc, that are removed by chemical processes to determine contents of nutrients, composition, etc. In this way, we measure the fertility and differences that need to be improved.
Now, in construction industry, soil testing is mandatory before doing anything. In this way, you can detect a sign of pollution and select the proper type of foundation. This testing is a valuable tool as well to farmers that try to obtain a maximum crop yield.
Now, we're going to talk about the soil testing type, that is the pH test. The soil pH is something that you need to keep in mind and be aware of in order to get the best blend. This pH is able to influence factors of availability of nutrients in soil, soil life, and some others. The optimum pH level is a neutral 7. Obtaining this level, the soil is able to be used.
Now, I am going to talk about pH range. Soils usually have a range of acidity going from 0 to 14, with 0 being the most acidic level and 14 the most alkaline. All types of construction built on levels of 5 or below can be prone to sulfur corrosion, damage, or material rupture.
Now, you can be wondering, when is the best time to do the soil testing? Well, I give you the answer. You can obtain the best samples at any time, but I can recommend you to do it in the late October or the earlier November. And also try not to do it when the soil is wet or recently fertilized.
I am going to give you some steps to do soil test, in this case, pH test. Step number 1. Dig a small hole in the soil. You can use a towel or spade to do it. Break up the soil within the hole and remove twigs and debris. Step number 2. Fill the hole with water. Here you need to use a distilled water. You can get this water on the pharmacy, because bottled water may not have a neutral pH that we need.
Now, let's continue with this. Step number 3. Insert the test probe into the mud. First, make sure that the tester is clean and calibrated. Wipe the probe with a tissue or clean cloth and insert it into the mud. Step number 4. Hold it there for a minute and take a reading. Like we explained you before, pH going to 7 indicates neutral soil. Above 7 indicates alkaline soil, and pH below 7 indicates acid soil.
The final step, step number 5, taking several measurements in different spots. A single reading may not be enough, so it's a good idea to make several spots, so you can make an average pH measurement in a plot.
Now that we are already talked about the soil testing and the pH test, it's time to conclude our project. Concluding this topic of soil testing and pH, we're able to say that a soil test is a very useful tool in the construction and gardening area in order to obtain best results of fields and land. Also to determine the kind of nutrients or components it has, or even help our soil by detecting issues that might have and being capable of fixing.
Thank you for your attention.
That was soil testing from civil engineering.